everyone, today's tutorial is this cute stud earring. In our materials, I have two colors of 11O seed beads. I have the gold and red 8O seed beads, bicons, and they are 3mm. I also have glue, earring paws with the flat pad, and they are 8mm clutches, beading needle number 11, and this is the thread I will use. So let's begin. Pick up for 11O red, then pass through first, then pick up one red, pick up one red, pick up one red, then pick up one, then pick up two red, bicon, and two red, then pick up five red, then pick up another two red, one bicon, and two red. Then pick up five red, pick up another two red, one bicon, and two red. Pick up five red, 5 red, so this is the tip bead. So I'm going to pass through three more beads. Then pick up 180. So this is the middle one. I'm going to skip one bead and pass through. So this is the tip. Then pass through 3 more beads. Then pick up 180. So this is the middle. Skip one bead and pass to the next. So this is the middle, the tip. So pass through 3 more. Then pick up 180, the middle, skip one, then pass. Then pass through 3 more. And pick up 180. So middle, skip one, and pass to the next. Then exit to the tip. So pick up 4. So my thread is coming out. So pick up 4, 11/0 gold, and pass through 8/0. And pick up another 4. Then pass through the middle. Then pick up another 4. Pass through 8. Pick up 4. Pass through the middle. Four. Pass through 8/0. Pick up 4. Pass through the middle. 4. Then pick up another 4 and pass through. I'm going to pass through one more time, make some couple of knots, and then cut the thread. And I'll just let it dry. And I want to show you, I made several colors. But here, I added two 211 gold here. That's why it looks different. So I'll just let it dry.